So, considering buying a telephone answering machine, he has one for 5 days free trial and finds that 22 messages are left on it. So the mean number of messages per day is a nice easy one. That's going to be 22 messages over 5 days, so 4.4 messages a day. Now the probability that on one particular day, and that's quite important because that means that I've got X being Poissonally distributed with 4.4. So on one particular day there'll be exactly 6 messages. So that means that the probability that X is equal to 6, and that, if you remember back to our formula, is going to be e to the minus 4.4 times 4.4 to the 6 over 6 factorial. And that should come out to be 0.124 to 3 decimal places. So it then says the probability that on one particular day there will be more than 6 messages. So for part 3, that was part 2, part 3, that's the probability that X is going to be greater than or equal, no, greater than, more than, not equal to. So, where's the eraser? So, greater than 6, and that's going to be 1 minus the probability that X is less than or equal to 6, and you've got to have the equals in for the table, and so then you're just going to grab your table. And so again, from our tables, we've got lambda as 4.4, let's just change the colour, lambda as 4.4, we're looking for 6, so that gives me 0.8436, so that's 1 minus 0.8346, and that number should come out to be 0.1564.